In this video, you'll learn how to create a grocery website using WordPress. This process involves several steps that will guide you through setting up your site efficiently. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the Sites option in the main menu. This section allows you to manage your existing sites or create a new one. After clicking on Sites, you will see a list of your sites or a prompt to create a new site if you do not currently have any. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This option simplifies the website creation process by using artificial intelligence to help lay out your site. Click this button and you'll be taken to the AI site builder interface, which will guide you through the next steps. After selecting Create with AI, you will see a prompt titled Laying the Foundations. This message indicates that the AI is preparing to assist you in creating your site. It may take a moment for the system to load, so be patient while this happens. Once the AI is finished loading, you will receive a message stating, make a website as unique as you. This message encourages you to start customizing your site. At this point, you can begin by typing in create a grocery website in the designated input area. After you enter the website name, click on the enter button to proceed. This action will confirm your input and guide you to the next step, where WordPress will indicate that it can create a grocery website for you. Now, type in the phrase, choose the choice given above as prompted. This ensures that the AI understands your request and can tailor the website creation process to your preferences. Click enter to move forward once you have entered the text. Next, you will see a confirmation message stating, great, this works well on WordPress.com. What should your website be called? This prompt is asking for the title of your website, which will be displayed in the browser tab. Type in your desired site name and click enter once you have completed this step. Following that, you will be prompted to enter a tagline that describes your website. This tagline will appear in search results and social media previews. Type in your tagline and click enter to proceed. After entering the tagline, click the Create My Site button. This action will initiate the site creation process. You may see a message that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is working on setting up your website. You will need to wait while the site is being generated. The duration of this process can vary based on your internet speed and the complexity of your site. Keep an eye on the progress indicator, which will show that the site is being prepared. Eventually, you will see a message stating, this might take a while. This is a standard notification that the system is still working on your site. Depending on the server load and your internet connection, this step may take a few moments. Once the site has been successfully created, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your grocery website is ready to be customized further. Make sure to explore the options available for personalizing your site to fit your needs. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.